Welcome to this video on the benefits of affiliate marketing. If you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or business owner, you've probably heard about affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of affiliate marketing and how you can use it to grow your business. First, let's define what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an advertiser pays a commission to an affiliate for each sale or lead generated from their referral. The affiliate promotes the advertiser's product or service to their audience and earns a commission when someone makes a purchase. Cut to a shot of a person scrolling through a website. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is that it's a cost-effective way to promote your product or service. As an advertiser, you only pay for results, which means you don't have to spend money upfront on advertising. This makes it a low-risk, high-reward marketing strategy. Second, affiliate marketing allows you to tap into a new audience. Affiliates have their own audience, and they promote your product or service to their followers. This means you can reach a new audience that you may not have been able to reach on your own. Third, affiliate marketing can improve your SEO. When affiliates link to your website, it creates backlinks, which can improve your website's search engine rankings. This means more people will be able to find your website through search engines like Google. Fourth, affiliate marketing can help you develop relationships with other businesses. When you work with affiliates, you're building partnerships with other businesses. This can lead to other opportunities, such as joint ventures, collaborations, and partnerships. Fifth, affiliate marketing allows you to track and measure your results. With affiliate marketing, you can track how many clicks, leads, and sales you're getting from each affiliate. This allows you to measure your return on investment, ROI, and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Lastly, affiliate marketing can help you generate passive income. Once you have a successful affiliate program set up, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. This means you can generate income while you focus on other aspects. Has many benefits, cost-effective means. If you're not using affiliate marketing as part of your marketing strategy, you're missing out on a great opportunity to grow your business. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.